So look, my cameraman's on vacation, so I couldn't show y'all me putting it in, but y'all see what's happening out here. No boil over. The whole turkey's in here. Oh, look at that smoke. We got enough oil. Yeah, I'm gonna fill that thing right back up. We got enough oil. Shout out to Aunt Maria who just called me. Aunt Maria, that's what's up. Yeah. Yeah. Need to get me some turkeys. And I can do this all day. I can do this from Monday to Friday while I'm at work. Yeah. And this going on for 25 minutes. You heard me. 25 minutes. I'm going to give y'all a secret. Pro tip. Put it in the oven first. You ain't going to have nothing that's not done. Yeah! Turkey! Turkey, peanut oil. We doing it out here. And we ain't just cooking it. We booking it, baby. We doing this next year in Vegas. Vegas! So you trying to go to Vegas and cook turkeys like this? God bless you. Anyway, Porsche light out. We're going to show you the finished product. But until you two let me go live, we going to do it like this. Porsche light out.